Hi all, welcome to ICT Pro Labs. In this short video, we are going to install Windows Server 2022 in VMware Workstation. So shall we start? Click on New Virtual Machine, click Next button. Then we are going to select the image of Windows Server 2022. Then click Next button. Select Windows Server. Then name of the virtual machine and the location of the virtual machine which we are going to install. We can choose different location as you wish. Select the location, select the folder and click OK button and click next. Then we are going to give the disk space. Click next. Then click finish button. Here there is small change in the virtual machine in the advanced option. Click on BIOS button and click OK. Then power on this virtual machine. So Windows Server files are loading now. Its logo almost same like that before versions are like Windows 2019, 16 and 12. Click on next. Click on install now button. Setup is starting. Here we are going to select desktop experience Windows Server 2020 standard evaluation desktop experience. Click on next button. Before that one we just zoom in that window, then click the next button. Mark the checkbox custom install. Here we are going to create new partition. Click new button, then select partition and click next. The files are going to install. Click the pause button and come back. Not pause button, this due to the editing software. Files are installed, then going to restart automatically. If you want, you can click the restart now, otherwise it will restart automatically. You can see after restart this window will come with a local administrator username and create the new password. Create complex password, re-enter the password again and click finish button. Make sure your password will become complex because it will help to in the security. Now you can see the login window. Enter the password. Windows Explorer view, desktop view is opening now. Now Windows 2022 is ready. Network pop-up is open. Now your server manager is opening. This one is a pop-up window you opened. This Windows Admin Center. We will install later in next videos. Nowadays the Windows Admin Center is Microsoft is enhanced many features. We will go through on it next videos. Here I just hide the search bar and task view button also. This is the dashboard of the server manager. You click on the you can click the local server. In that one you can see the computer information, operating system version, hardware information, installed memory, processor, disk space, same like the service, events, operating system version, bus practice analyzer, performance, roles and features installed the server. Uh, Using this PowerShell, now we are using the PowerShell. We are getting some information of computer using get computer info. This is a bunch of details we are getting once we enter this command. You can see this much of information we are getting. The Windows current version, Windows edition, BIOS details, a lot of bunch of details. We are going to shut down the virtual machine, shut down other unplanned option. Hope this video is useful for you. We are successfully installed Windows Server 2022. Thanks for watching. More videos regarding Windows Server 2022 and Azure are coming.